Hey guys, what's going on? It's Russell again. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe because I talk about all these different stock alert services and options alert services and basically go through and review them. So if you have any ideas of stuff that you want reviewed, just leave a note in the comments below and I'll I'll go through and see if there's any ones that I can actually go and do for you guys. So anyway, today I've been trying out a new options alert and stock alert service called True Trading Group, and this is these guys right here. I thought it'd be nice to try because one of the guys in our own Discord posted a link for $3 for a week trial. I'll try and post that link in the description below, but it may not be valid by the time you're watching this video. So anyway, I've been trying this out today, so this isn't really a full review, it's just kind of like an overview and to give you guys the opportunity to go and check it out on the $3 trial. So here we are. So we have this website. It's pretty basic, truetradinggroup.com. My first impressions is I like the fact that we know who's behind us, a guy called Michael Edward. He was a hedge fund trader. So that's pretty cool. It's, a lot of these places don't give full transparency about who's behind them. Often you have no idea at all. So it's kind of cool to see this guy. Whole bunch of testimonials, whole bunch of really positive reviews on Trustpilot. All these, obviously, they could be taken with a pinch of salt. Just, you never know. Anyway, so going down, so it's a really simple website. That's about it. You can join now, and let's take a look at the guy behind it a little bit more. So I did some research into him, Michael Edwards. He's a real guy. Looks like I found a whole bunch of articles about him, and this is his LinkedIn page. So he's got some serious Wall Street experience. Seems like a really good guy. This is him again. So there's lots of articles and things about him to research who this guy actually is. 450 million under management, started off in New York City, equities and options trader, so pretty good start, right? I mean, that's not bad at all. So let me have a look. So I signed up for the $3 trial, and this is what you see when you log in. Introduction video, whole bunch of stuff down here which I'll go through, and then I took a trade with these guys this morning, so I'll go through that as well. So there's a whole bunch of moderators, there's loads of them, and that was one of the complaints that I got from somebody in the Facebook group, was that there was way too many of these guys, and the usual thing is they're day traders, most of them, so it's pretty hard to keep up sometimes. But my very limited experience so far is it's not been the case, but I have to keep checking this room out before I can say for sure whether chasing these alerts is a problem or not. But I'll show you the trade that I did earlier in a little bit. So let's see, this is a 3-day chat access thing. So we can go and check out the chat room here, unless I've got it open. Yeah, I've got it open here. Yeah, so this is the chat room. This is really cool. So nobody's speaking at the moment, but there's pretty much an ongoing commentary of the trades in real time. So it's pretty cool because if you're new, you can listen to somebody with more experience talk you through it. You can chart it yourself, but they also put the charts that we're looking up here. And the actual alerts, they mention it on voice chat, and this kind of cycles through between all the different moderators. But Michael is the main guy. Here's where the actual alerts come out, and I've set that to push notifications so they pop up down here. So it's very difficult to miss an alert. Expand this out, you can see these are the trades I've been doing today. Some of the biggest movers of the day. Bumble was a Motley Fool pick, I think. Here we go. So IPA is actually the trade I took. It looks like Michael went in and out of it a bit more. I took his first notifications. I'll show you that in a sec. You can see there's not actually that many trades. There's a few, but it's not a whole lot. And you can see that Michael is the main guy alerting in yellow. So he really just traded IPA over and over again today. Not surprisingly, consider it moved like 200% or something ridiculous. That kind of gives you an idea of the trade notifications. All day trades, it seems like. So if we close this back up. So they all talk in this section. It's pretty helpful. I enjoyed listening to it earlier. Here's the chat room. So it's kind of this chat room style. So it's not super busy. Apparently they have like 2,000 members or something. But it's not super busy, although actually I take that back. It is super busy. So yeah. So you talk in the chat room here. Pretty cool. I haven't done that yet, but so that's the basics of the service so far. I only have this for a week, so I'll try and do another video on it after. Oh, here we go. New alert from Moment. Let's check that out. So intermediate long LI 34 call. So that's an options trade, I guess. The one I did earlier was a stock trade. I'll talk about that in a sec. But let's just check I've not missed much here. Just go through these things. Trading group. Yeah, so the cost, it's about $1,200 on sale, but they do try and downsell you a lot. So on this free trial, or $3 trial, they offer it for $1,400. I think that's a year, so let's check that out. This opens up. So they give you a coupon code, and then hopefully we get some offer here. 1 year subscription, yeah. So you get all this stuff. What, they offer a brand new laptop? No way. Okay, that's pretty cool. So you get all these courses. I'm going to go through them in a sec. You get a brand new laptop. That's crazy. Okay, it doesn't make the subscription price seem so bad. Well, I guess they're now wanting $1,900 for it. Saying they're okay. I don't know. Seems a little bit crazy. They do a lot of free stuff though. I heard them earlier on the chat, basically saying they were going to do a prize draw for 50 grand or something as the main prize, or a new Porsche. It was crazy. So yeah, so it's worth checking out here for $2,000 for the year. So that is pretty cool. It's not that bad a price really, but they don't offer shorter term like 1 month or month to month or quarterly. It's just this whole like year or nothing. But this $3 trial does help you, get to see it a little bit before you buy. So I've showed you the chat room. They have these other features I don't have access to, so like a trading simulator. Oh, the trade history, I need to show you that. So they do provide a trade history. Let me close this. Which is pretty cool. Let me just find the right page. Let's just reopen it here. Sometimes takes a minute. Alright, it's loading faster now. So the trade history is kind of cool. They have it for all the different moderators, which is nice. Something that we need to implement in our Discord. It would be pretty cool. Here's Michael's one. Michael Edward. So load up. So you can scroll down and see all his trades all the way back for a year. I think this goes back to 2020. About 2020. So about a year ago. So you can go through. You can see all this stuff. Go up to the latest one. So let's just look at this one. This was 2 days ago. So you can go sideways and it gives all the information, entry price, stop loss, exit price, alert type, and then the percentage win. So we'll have a quick peek through these. So you can see the green wins, 22, 16%. Losses look fairly small, wins look a bit bigger, more wins than losses. Yeah, so you can browse through this if you sign up for it. So he does that for all of these different guys. That's pretty cool. There's no evidence or proof that these are real trades, but if you're in the chat room you can tell that if they didn't take these trades then they probably should have, because most of them seem to work out pretty well. But there's no broker statements or anything like that. That's not necessarily a big issue in my book though. So yeah, so that's the track record stuff. They do events and stuff. They have a whole bunch of courses which I haven't actually checked out here, but on the trial I think you get access to these. Let's have a look. So what we're interested in looking at here, Swing Trading Foundation, let's have a look at that. Okay, so they're saying, alright, so they're not free. So the courses you don't get for free in the trial. It kind of makes sense. So forget that. It's not super relevant. But that's what you get when you sign up for the $2,000 a year subscription, is you get all these different things, including a crypto course. It's kind of cool. Let's have a look what else we've got here. Webinars, forums, blah blah blah. And you can schedule a one-on-one with the main guy. Cool. Well, that's basically all I have to say about this. I think it looks really cool. Oh, I did one trade. That's what I needed to show you. So let's see. Here we go. Alright, so Michael put out this alert at 9:23 this morning. Added back IPA at $8. So I bought it around there as well. And then he sold it 15 minutes later at 9:02. Let me show you the chart on my broker. Here we go. So 9 o'clock was around here, so around $8. And then look at this thing, it just went all the way up to 16, so it doubled in the course of like an hour or something like that. So these are, what candles are these? Let's have a look. There we go. So I've got it on 5 minute candle, so you can see again in the time frame. So plenty time. It wasn't a huge rush to day trade this. You didn't scalp it or anything, just grind it up. So I got out. So I got in around 9:25, like here somewhere, and then just rolled up this first move. But he waited for this bull flag and bought it again, and then again here. So pretty good trading. I was quite impressed. So it works quite well. That was just one trade, of course, but you know it was a good start. So yeah. So I think that's all I've got to say. I know I just said that earlier, but go and check it out, and I'll try and leave the $3 link if it's still valid. You can check this out. Looks like Glenny Trades is talking now. Alright guys, well thanks for listening, and I hope you check this one out and see if you like it or not. Alright, cheers.